Hello, today I want to talk to you about minor surface repairs around airports, both airside and landside. 3 common minor problems confronted in and around airports include 1. Small surface potholes, spalling or edge of slab breakup. 2. Cracking or crazing or joint failure. 3. Minor surface scarring, dusting, delamination or aggregate exposure. We're all too familiar with the degradation of surfaces, be it concrete or asphalt, and the impact it has on the environment, as well as vehicle hazard and pedestrian hazards. On top of this, the faster any minor defects are repaired, the less impact it has on the life of the surface around it. Remember, stitching time saves 9. It's preventative maintenance. Here at Meon, we've developed systems that are unique with added versatility depending on the type of particular challenge you face. Each of these systems were designed with 3 key benefits for the user and airport. Productivity: no dig, fast curing, high point loading, meaning faster return to service, minimal disruption and reduced wastage. Safety: cold apply technology ensures no hot works risks and hand and arm vibration issues relating to vibrating equipment. Environment: MMA resin technology offering maximum durability and excellent adhesion properties. When comparing hot against hot applied systems, you can get up to 90% carbon emission savings. So let me introduce these products. PermaFyx L271 for small defect repairs to surfaces between 6 and 100 mm deep and in areas up metre square. UltraCrack L270 and L275 for crack and joint repairs in asphalts and concretes. And PermaFyx L272 for thin lay surface repairs to asphalt surfaces up to 3 mm in depth. These 3 solutions are supplied in kit format and easily adopted by practical maintenance teams assisted by Meon's Training Academy. Our solutions greatly extend the life of the existing assets, saving time, money and disruption. We'd love to show you more about these solutions and ensure you don't miss out. So contact us for a quote or swatch now. I'm available on 07848 451 834 or the office line 023 9220 0606. You can also visit our website meonuk.com, where there's a whole wealth of knowledge and resource designed especially for you.